How to fix no SIM or no SIM available on iPhone. Looking for a quick and easy way to fix the no SIM or no SIM available error on your iPhone? In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that can help restore your cellular connection. And if you enjoy simple, step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, try toggling airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon to turn airplane mode on, wait about 10 seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. This can quickly refresh your cellular connection and may resolve a temporary SIM or network issue. If you're still seeing the error, check for a carrier settings update. Open the Settings app, tap General, and then select About. Stay on this screen for around 10 to 15 seconds. If a carrier update is available, a pop-up should appear automatically. Tap Update and follow the instructions on the screen. Another option is to reset your network settings. Go back to Settings, select General, then scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, choose Reset Network Settings, and enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Confirm the reset by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Your iPhone will restart, and its network-related settings will be restored to their defaults. Keep in mind that this can also remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. If the problem continues, try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to finish restarting. Finally, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If none of these solutions work, contact your mobile carrier, as the issue could be related to your SIM card or cellular account. And that's how you can troubleshoot the no SIM or no SIM available on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.